step then another. Breathe in, lock in. This ain't just a run, it's a war I win. Feet hit the ground like thunder strikes. Every mile I run, I rewrite my life. Can't slow down, this is my fight. Heart on fire in the dead of night. Birds sink with a beat in my ear. Every doubt fade when I shift that gear. Pain talk loud, I don't hear that fear. Cause the finish line closer every year. Yeah, I've been down broke, left behind, but the road don't lie. Just remind that the strongest hearts come from grind, and the realest power comes from time. I run my way, can't stop this flame. Through the sweat, through the rain, through the pain. Every step I take, it raise my chains. Yeah, I run my way, remember the name. I run my way, can't fake this soul. Chasing dreams, yeah, that's my goal. From the dark I took control. Now I run my way, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Speed in the blood, rhythm in the stride. Every setback just fuel inside. City lights flash as the beats collide. Mind on the prize, I don't divide. Knees burn, lungs tight, still I go. Every step closer to the glow. Can't quit now, I'm in that flow. Heart race, but my soul say no. Every mile I conquer, a story told. Every drop of sweat, pure gold. Walk cold, but my will bold. Never run from, I run toward my goals. The road don't care who you are, it testifies, not the name. You either stop, or you run through the pain. I run my way, can't stop this flame. Through the sweat, through the rain, through the pain. Every step I take, erase my chains. Yeah, I run my way, remember the name. I run my way, can't fake this soul. Chasing dreams, yeah, that's my goal. From the dark I took control. Now I run my way, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Speed in the blood, rhythm in the stride. Every setback just fuel inside. City lights flash as the beats collide. Mind on the prize, I don't divide. Knees burn, lungs tight, still I go. Every step closer to the glow. Can't quit now, I'm in that flow. Heart race, but my soul say no. Every mile I conquer, a story told. Every drop of sweat, pure gold. Work cold, but my will bold. Never run from, I run toward my goals. The road don't care who you are, testify, not the name. You either stop, or you run through the pain.
Each breath a promise, each mile a fight. I run for the day, I reach my light. No map, no guide, no one to sway. Just me and the road, I run my way.
I hear you in the quiet. Every breath, every sigh. You left but the walls still echo my name. Your perfume still lingers in the hall, like ghosts who never learn to fall. I try to wash you from my skin, but memory seeps right back in. Your shadow sits on the windowsill, whispering words we never will. I keep pretending I'm okay, but silence speaks in your decay. Yeah, you're gone, but I still hear the tone. Every I love you carved in bone. Left your voice on my phone, can't delete, feels too home. You said don't wait up, but here I stay, counting echoes night to day. Even the clock ticks your name in pain, like it's keeping score of my refrain. Every room still calls you back, and every heart beats out of track. If you moved on, it's not the same. Cause your silence still echoes my name. Echo my name. And through the static of your dreams, whisper my ghost in your midnight scenes. Even if you lie, say you're fine, I know my voice still rewinds in your mind. Echo my name till the echoes fade, till the love we lost finally decays. You left the place, but the sound remains. You still echo my name. I hear my heartbeat when I walk past your street. Every corner plays a heartbeat beat. You're not there, but your laughter stays, painted loud in empty space. We were music in a broken key. Now I'm noise in your melody, but when your playlist hits our song, I bet your breath won't last that long. Cause the soul remembers what we fake. Every goodbye's a loop mistake. Even silence got your face in a reverb of my mental space. You can change your number, you can move your bed, still humming somewhere in your head. No closure, no peace, just replay. Every thought's a tidal wave. You say you're healed, but I still bleed. Every echo's proof you still need me. Echo my name when you dream too deep, when the quiet makes it hard to sleep. You left, but your silence screams. Every echo breaks my seams. Echo my name, let it burn, let it stay in your chest where I used to lay. We fade, but we sound the same. You still echo my name. You still echo my name. The city sleeps, but I still hear you whisper me. You still echo my name.
Yeah. When the lights go out, that's when I move. No noise, no crowd, just me and the truth. Shadow mode,
Black hoodie, black tape, mind in the dark, I don't flex for the gram, I perfect my art. Voices in my head say push too far, now I'm breaking through chains like a falling star. I don't chase trends, I break them clean. Every scar I got, that's gasoline. Fuel for the nights when I'm bleeding dreams. I'm the storm in silence, I reign supreme. I'm a ghost in the gym, a wolf in the zone. I lift my rage, I grind alone. Mirror cracking from the force I throw. Shadow mode active, watch me glow. This ain't no love song, this is war. I'm the pain you can't ignore. Dark beast post to my core. I'm the fear behind that door. Shadow mode, yeah, I'm locked in stealth. Power rise from the pain I felt. In the dark, I rebuild myself. No mercy, I'm my own black belt. Shadow mode, I made a cold. Cold might be like a loop. You see fire, but you don't know. I'm the storm in shadow mode. Every setback taught me venom's calm. I keep quiet, but my wheels are bomb. Pressure builds and I detonate. Every weakness I annihilate. Ain't no light that can guide this lane. I made peace with my inner pain. Turn my wounds into bullet rain. Now my name's carved deep in the grain. I'm that hunger that don't sleep. Dark thoughts that run too deep. Every scar's a promise I keep. The mountains tall, but it's mine to reach. Voices fade, can you feel the ground shake? Every demon in my chest now wake. Heartbeat sings with the drums I break. I don't run, I retaliate. Shadow mode, yeah, I'm locked in stealth. Power rise from the pain I felt. In the dark, I rebuild myself. No mercy, I'm my own black belt. Shadow mode, eyes never close. Running through fire where nobody goes. Born from ashes, I suppose. I'm the night that never froze. No spotlight, no applause. Just the sound of my heart in the glow. Shadow move forever, that's my goal.
Clock ticks slow, hearts beat wrong. We used to dance, now there's no song. Your perfume still haunts my coat. Your words replay stuck in my throat. It's been months, but who's counting time? I'm half past love, still crossing lines. The echoes don't fade, they rearrange. Every memory feels the same. Half past love, I'm stuck in between the ghost of us and what it means. Halfway gone, halfway true, still can't erase the thought of you. I don't intend. Dreams keep looping where we end. I burned the letters, kept the ash, but the pain rewinds frame by flash. You're not gone, just out of range. My heart's clock never changed, still beats like it did before. Half past love and nothing more. Half past love. I'm stuck in between the ghost of us and what it means. Halfway gone, halfway true. Still can't erase the thought of you. Half past love and it's bittersweet. Walking in circles on your street. Can't move forward, can't rewind. Half past love, I'm losing my mind. I see your name when I don't intend. Dreams keep looping where we end. I burned the letters, kept the ash, but the pain rewinds frame by flashes. You're not gone, just out of range. My heart's clock never changed, still beats like it did before. Half past love and nothing more. Half past love and nothing more. Half past, I'll let it fade. But without you, still can't erase, still in nothing more. Half past love, I'll let it fade. But your shadow still invades. Every minute feels the same. I'm half past love, but still your name. Every dream got a price, every crown got a weight. I'm still carrying both. Yeah. Came from the ground where the hunger grows. Now I eat but the pain still shows. Money talk loud but silence knows. It's the quiet nights where your truth unfolds. People clap when you win on stage, but forget the nights you starve for days. They see the crown, not the cost it pays. Every victory's built from the scars that stay. I lost sleep, I lost faith, but I gained scars that won't erase. Every smile's a war I face, every move a test of grace. Yeah. The weight of the crown, yeah, it's heavy on me, but I still walk proud, still let it be. Pain in my chest, but my soul set free. Cause I earned this crown through misery.
They said I'd fall, guess I missed that call. Build an empire out of nothing at all. Fake love fade when you start to evolve. Only truth remain when the lies dissolve. Every tear, every bruise, that's proof. Every loss paid mine. Living roof, I don't chase fame, I chase the truth. Cause real kings bleed when they raise the youth. You want the crown, then carry the weight. Cause glory without struggle ain't fate, it's fate.
The weight of the crown, yeah, it's heavy on me, but I still walk proud, still let it be. Pain in my chest, but my soul set free. Cause I earned this crown through misery. Every crown's got a cost, and I paid mine in full.
Plug me in, I'm alive. Energy, don't sleep, it drives. Shockwave in my veins tonight. I don't fade, I ignite. Voltage flow, let it roll. Wide up, I'm lit like neon. Static
talk, but I feed on. Every charge made me reborn. Lightning mind, that's me sworn. They dim down when the light gets loud, but I was strong, never bow. They talk slow, I move proud. I'm the current, they can't drown. Step by step, I climb both high. Sparks fly wild when the weed men lie. Pain ain't pain, it's just supply. Fuel to the flame, my reason why. I don't run on hope, I run on spark. Glow in the daylight, up the dark. Circuit hard, don't overload. I'm wired clean, I'm in that mode. Voltage flow, don't break the chain. Pulse so high, it shocks the pain. Every step I charge the ground. Power born, can't shut me down. Voltage flow, I feel alive. Burning bright, my own drive. Plug in soul, ignite control. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, Grenady, but I spark tall. Energy surge through every wall. No fear left, I burned it raw. Shockwave rhythm, perfect flaw. Rhythm taught my body move. Circuit jump, that voltage groove. Metal soul with neon truth. Electric light, that's my proof. I ain't human, I'm designed. Flesh is storm, pulse a line. I don't fade, I redefine. Like my path, that's my spine. Shock me once I light again. Paints the chord, not the end. Static screaming silver rain. But I hum peace through the pain. Current flow. Reverse, voltage high, no rehearse. Voltage flow, don't break the chain. Pull so high, it shocks the pain. Every step I charge the ground. Power born, can't shut me down. Voltage flow, I feel alive. Burning bright, my own drive. Plug in soul, ignite control. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. Voltage born, I don't wait for charge. Every dream I dream is loud. If the world short circuits me, I'll spark back infinitely. Broke their rules, rewrote my core. Every fail, more power in store. Can't unplug what's meant to roar. I'm thunder in human form. I'm thunder in human form. I'm thunder in human form. Voltage flow, don't break the chain. Pulse so high, it shocks the pain. Every step I charge the ground. Power born, can't shut me down. Voltage flow, I feel alive. Burning bright, my own drive. Plug in soul, ignite control. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. I'm full force, overload. Voltage flow. Can't stop on my own show. No off switch, no low. Just current, just flow. No. City clothes, I'm built for the run. Chase me, but I don't slow. Neon pulse, let it glow. I don't walk, I burn through roads. I'm the cold. Late night calling, skylines bleeding. Every dream I chase is speeding. No map, no rest, no pleading. I move fast, pain's receding. Metal heart with human flaws. Still I'm breaking all the laws. City glass can't cage my claws. I'm built to rise, not built to pause. Shadow step on the midnight rail. Fire trail, my story prevails. Sweat and faith in the holy scale. One breath left, but I never fail. I see red lights fade to gray, but I run past anyway. No review, no replay. Neon soul, don't decay. I'm a neon runner. Through the smoke, through the rain, I'm like thunder. Born from the pain, every shadow I break, every mile I claim. I'm alive in the dark, you can't tame my flame. Neon runner, burning through the night. Flash of faith in electric light. Every heartbeat is my war cry. Run till the stars collide. Footsteps echo in tunnels deep. Chasing ghosts I'll never keep. Dreams too wild for sleep. I run truths they can't repeat. My fear gone, my pace war. No end line, I run for more. I can't copy speed, I'm born for roar. Life's the chase, I'm built to soar. stay bright. Every fall, another fight. Ground cracks, I grip tight. Every bruise, pure highlight. Hear my breath, that's power in motion. Running through walls like raw emotion. Sweat is truth, fate's my potion. Neon light, full devotion. I'm a neon runner. Through the smoke, through the rain, all like thunder. Born from the pain, every shadow I break. Every mile I claim, I'm alive in the dark. You can't tame my flame. Neon runner, burning through the night. Flash of faith in electric light. Every heartbeat is my war cry. Run till the stars collide. Born from the nights that broke me twice. Cut my fears, pay my price. Now I'm racing through sacrifice. Every risk, roll the dice. Midnight hums, my sneakers sing. Pulse and rhythm, engines ring. Dreams don't wait, they sting. But I fly with broken wing. I don't stop, I evolve. Problems come, I solve. Can't lock drive, that won't dissolve. I'm motion, that's my resolve. I'm a neon runner. Through the smoke, through the rain, all like thunder. Born from the pain, every shadow I break. Every mile I claim, I'm alive in the dark. You can't tame my flame. Neon runner, don't fade tonight. I own my lane, I own my light. Every road ends with stars ignite. Run till my soul takes Lights fade out, I still glow. No finish line, just flow. I don't chase fame, I chase soul. I'm neon and I'll never slow. Run till the stars collide. Neon runner.
Every day I fight the pull, the weight, the doubt, the voice that says stop. But I rise again, that's the gravity of you. Yeah, I'm running laps with the pain on my back. Turn my scars into facts, now I'm stronger in the cracks. You can't break what's been through hell. Fire in my blood, I wear it well. They say you won't, I said watch me breathe. Now the weights bow down when I leave. No shortcuts, no cheat code, just beast mode and overload. Gravity try to pull me low, but I rose, yeah I stole the show. Every pull, every pain I feel, that's the force that keeps me real. I'm not falling, I'm climbing through, breaking free from the gravity of you. Gravity of you can't hold me down. Every loss I wear it like a crown. Pressure's just proof that I still move. I'm alive in the pain I push through. Gravity of you I redefine. Every fall rewrites my line. Keep pulling out, still break through. Stronger than the gravity of you. They said success got a cost, I paid that fee. Every doubt became energy. Match my fears till they disappear. Lifting my limits every year, yeah. I'm not who I was, that version's gone. I built a new me with every song. Failures, wait, I let it stack. Now I use it just to push me back. Turn the pain into my set list, turn my sweat into the message. I don't sink, I surf the pool. Gravity bends when my heart's full. You pull me down just to test my ride. You pull me down just to test my ride. Thought I'd break, but I learned to fly. Every fall taught me how to move. That's the truth of the gravity of you. Every pull, every pain I feel, that's the force that keeps me real. I'm not falling, I'm climbing through, letting free from the gravity of every pull, every pain I feel, that's the force that keeps me real. I'm not falling, I'm climbing through, breaking free from the gravity of you. Gravity of you can't They said success got a cost, I paid that fee. Every doubt became energy. Bench my fears till they disappear. Lifting my limits every year. I'm not who I was, that version's gone. I build a new me with every song. Failures wait, I let it stack. Now I use it just to push me back. Turn the pain into my set list. Turn my sweat into the message. I don't sink, I surf the pool. Gravity bends when my heart's full, yeah. Gravity or you can't stop my climb. Every loss turned into rhyme. Push me harder, I'll still prove. No force stronger than what I choose. Gravity or you, my resistance flame. Every rep I call your name. You can pull but I'll break through. I'm beyond the gravity of you. You were the weight, I made it my wings. The gravity's gone, now I rise again. Turn me up, yeah. No static, no noise, just my frequency. Locked in.
808 slides and bright hands.
Yeah. Run it back, run it back.
Woke up, new sick, a new dawn. Vibe coded in my DNA song. No fit on this wave I'm on. I glow raw when the mask is gone. It tune out when the truth plays loud, but I still vibe when there's no crowd. Silence thoughts already clear. Every setback boosts my gear. They scroll my page, but don't feel my sound. You can't copy, so it's homegrown ground. My pulse syncs up with every drain. I'm wired tight, electric beam. I'm wired tight, electric beam.
I don't chase the noise, I ride my tone. Frequency high, I'm in my zone. Static can't break what's built in peace. My vibe don't stop, my mind's on leash.
Run my frequency loud and clean. Waves don't lie, they stay supreme. Every pull, yeah, that's my core. Energy pure, that it's overload. Run my frequency, let it shine, let it shine. No fake line in this design. They talk static, I talk truth, I talk truth. Tune in real, you'll find the proof. On it, on it, on it. Bass not heavy in my chest, heart sing like it's Bluetooth blessed. No stress, just flex, progress. I don't fight small, I manifest. Talk about hustle, I live that mode. Every setback, re-upload. They see calm, I see cold. I'm that signal that don't corrode. Digital soul, analog dream. In the static, I still beam. They can't mute what's born divine. I talk truth through bass and rhyme.
Tune me in,
Feel that way, silence talking brave.
tune me out.
I still play, even when you fade away.
I don't blend up, blend the line. My tone's rare, it's by design.
Run my frequency loud and clean. Waves don't lie, they stay supreme. Every pole, yeah, that's my code. Energy pure, that's overload. Run my frequency, let it shine, let it shine. No fake line in their design. No knees on, they talk static, I talk truth, I talk truth. Tune in real, you find the proof, find the proof. Harder rap on my mind. Vibe too bright for the low tone crowd. My sound hit deep, my spirit proud. Keep it loud, keep it real. My energy never need a deal. No cap, just clarity. Ay. Every bar sincerity. Ay. I'm my own utility. Charging full capacity. Don't try that all, baby.
No static, no fake, right? Tune in the real play. No static, no fake, right? Tune in the real play.
Run my frequency loud and clean. Waves don't lie, they stay supreme. Every pole, yeah, that's my code. Energy pure, that's overload. Run my frequency, let it shine, let it shine. No fake line in their design, no fake line. They talk static, I talk truth, I talk truth. Tune in real, you'll find the proof, find the proof. Find the proof.
Run it, tune in, vibe don't fade. I'm self-made.
Run it, I don't find the proof.
Frequency steady, so connected. Motion eternal, signal protected. Every story's gotta end sometime. Not every goodbye means it's gone.
Sometimes it just means glow. Yeah. Yeah, this the last verse I bleed on the page. Memories inked, still locked in a cage. Every beat carries scars I hid. Every rhyme was a truth I did. Yeah, I lost some love, I gained some peace. Traded my chaos for one release. Now I sit with the ghosts of my tracks. Everyone's a mirror that's staring back.
The nights were long, the lights were dim. I found my fight when hope was slim. And if the world don't hear my tone, at least I sang my pain alone.
This is my one last song, my echo to the night. Every wrong I turn to right. Every fall just taught me strong. Now I fade out where I belong. This is my one last song, my final breath and sound. If I go unbound. Every verse I wrote was long, but this is my one last song.
Yeah, I seen dreams die young in the city lights. Fake smiles drown out real fights. Yeah, people love you till the spotlight dims. Then they ghost you for another M. Yeah, but I ain't bitter, I just learned the game. Yeah, you can lose the fame but keep your name. Yeah, every wound I let it show. Cause healing don't mean you don't glow. I wrote pain like a prayer, spoke truth in the empty air. Now the silence don't scare me none. Yeah, it's peace not war I've won. Yeah, it's peace not war I've won.
One more beat, one more rhyme. I gave my soul line after line. And if tomorrow I disappear, just know I left it all right here.
This is my one last song, my echo to the night. Every wrong I turn to right. Every fall just taught me strong. Now I fade out where I This is my one last song, my final breath and sound. If I go unbound. Every verse I wrote was long, but this is my one last song.
Yeah. Now I stand at the edge of the dawn. Still me, even when the pain's gone. Every track was a piece of my fight. Every loss turned into light. So if they play this when I'm gone, let it live, let it carry on. Cause the beat don't die, it just moves through every soul that ever felt it too.
One last song.
For every broken dream that's still there to sing. To every heart that kept its rhythm. Even when the world went quiet. This is my one last song.
Every rap's a rhythm, every scar's a song. This is how a broken melody gets strong.
Yeah, I came from silence, now thunder in motion. Sweat dripping rhythm like an ocean. Every doubt, I bench that weight. Turn my pain into heavy bass. Mirror talk, I'm a rival. Phase fuel for survival. These scars ain't shame, the tracks I've won. My melodies crack, but the beat goes on.
Push through pressure, carry one. Broken hearts make tougher minds. If the bar shade, that's my soul. Breaking limits, that's the goal. This is my broken melody, built from pain and energy. Every failure fuels the drive. Every breath keeps me alive. Turn the hurt into harmony. Make the grind my symphony. No more silence, no more plea. On the sound of victory. Weight on my chest, yeah, that's therapy. Life through punches, I wrote the melody. Every setback, added to the set. Sweat equity, no regret. Clock tick, grind mode. Mindset like beast mode. Ain't no luck discerned by pain. Rain or shine, I train the same. Hold me to the beat, I don't sleep. Go so high to climb steep. Dreams don't care about comfort zones. Play this loud through muscle and bone. When they said you can't, I wrote a verse. Every curse turned into work. Every bruise a part of the sound. That's my pulse on solid ground.
Yeah, no trophies yet, but I feel the gain. Pain's the language I entertain. When the beat drops, I don't rest. I rise stronger than my stress. Yeah,
Broken melody, play it loud. Made a fire, made me proud. Every rap a note I claim. Every loss I own the flame. Broken melody, that's my creed. Hustle rhythm, sweat, it's my feet. No surrender, no fatigue. Just the sound of victory.
weight on my chest, yeah, that's therapy. Life through punches, I wrote the melody, yeah. Every setback, added to the set. Sweat equity, no regret. Yeah.
Clock tick, grind mode. Mindset like beast mode. Ain't no luck to discern my pain. Rain or shine, I train the same. Move me to the beat, I don't sleep. Go so high to climb steep. Dreams don't care about comfort zones. Play this loud through muscle and bone. verse. Every curse turned into work, every bruise a part of the sound. That's my pulse on solid ground.
No trophies yet, but I feel the game. Pain's a language I entertain. When the beat drops, I don't rest. I rise stronger than my stress.
Clock tick, grind mode, mindset like beast mode. Ain't no luck discerned by pain. Rain or shine, I train the same. Move me to the beat, I don't sleep. Go so high, they climb steep. Dreams don't care about comfort zones. Play this loud through muscle and bone. When they said you can't wrote a verse, every curse turned into work. Every bruise, part of the sound. That's my pulse on solid ground.
No trophies yet, but I feel the game. Pain's a language I entertain. When the beat drops, I don't rest. I rise stronger than my stress.
You can break my rhythm, but you'll never mute my grind. Broken melody, still in time. Streetlights playing like movie scenes. Streetlights playing like movie scenes.
Yeah. Yo, you in the passenger seat, wind in your hair. We laugh like we had forever to spare. Your lipstick on a straw, my hoodie on you. Every mile we drove felt brand new.
Backseat moments, frozen and rewind. Wish I could drive back to that time. Hands on the wheel, heart on the line. You and I lost in stereo signs. The radio played our secret song. We sang off key but still sang along. Now the echo's all that's left to find. Every ride since you, just killing time. Raindrops race each other down the glass. Every second feels like it went too fast. Your laughter's the ghost in the speaker hum, and I still turn it up. And I still turn it up, just to feel you come. Backseat moments still on replay. Every road I take just fades away. If love had a highway, I'd find a lane to drive back to you again. Yeah, it's Heartstrings Thunder, baby. Turn that love back on replay. Met you on a late night scroll. Your vibe hit deep, yeah, it touched my soul. Being turned into calls, now we talk till sunrise. You my peace, my chaos, my reason, my high. We got moments in the rain, laughing loud, forget the pain. Every beat, every rhyme, girl, you stuck in my brain. Every time I try to move, I'm pulled your way. Your name on my mind, it just won't fade. Like a track that never ends, it plays all day. You got my heart on loop, can't escape. Love on replay, yeah. Spinning every day, yeah. You the rhythm in my soul, girl, you never fade away, yeah. Got my love on replay, I can't press stop, no way. You the hook in my song, that I keep on replay, yeah. I remember that first night, city lights, your eyes so bright. You laughed, I froze, no auto-tune, but my heart hit the groove in tune. You a verse I never skip, addicted to your lips. You the spark, the flame, and trip. Girl, you my favorite script, yeah. I don't need no fame, just your name on my chain. Riding shotgun, top down in the rain. You the melody I crave, the beat in my lane. Love's a game, and I'm stuck in your frame. We rewind, same vibe, no delay. Every night's the same replay. You my line, my rhyme, my sway. passed away. Our love on replay, yeah, spinning every day, yeah. You the rhythm in my soul, girl, you never fade away, yeah. Got my love on replay, I can't press stop, no way. You the hook in my song that I keep on replay, yeah. So play that track, don't skip this lane. You and I, love on replay. Turn it up, feel that flame. Forever we been. No delay, no delay, no delay.
Same song again, same mistakes we play. Every time I try to stop, you press play. We're a record with no end. Love on loop. We start where the silence breaks. Midnight calls and old heartbreaks. You say, let's keep it casual, but your eyes still write a sequel. We fight like thunder, kiss like peace. Love so loud, but the truth's beneath. Every time I say I'm done, you show up and we rerun. Round and round like vinyl does. Spin my pain in a groove of trust. Every skip feels just like fate. Every makeup's 2 weeks late, yeah. You post your pain, I read between, yeah. Screenshots of what could've been. Still I'm caught in your sound design. Baby, press repeat, it's by design. We could've been free, but we love captivity. Every goodbye's just foreplay till we crash again. Someday, someday. Love on loop, same beat, new verse. Cursed by comfort, blessed by hurt. Can't stop spinning this tune of lies. Even pain sounds better when it's amplified. Love on loop, can't let it fade. Every heartbreak's a track we make. No skip button in my heart. We end, we start, we fall apart. Perfume in my hoodie sleeve. My sanity starts to leave. We whisper peace, we scream regret. A mixtape love I can't forget. We're toxic in surround sound. Volume up till we both drown. I said I quit like nicotine, but love got codes I can't delete. Scrolling through your 2 a.m. You like his post, I lose again. Still I drop a verse pretending fine, but every bar's just half a sign.
Maybe we just miss the noise, not the love, just the void. Maybe I'm your favorite sin. You hate to lose, but won't let me win.
I can't lie on my loop, my muse. My chaos I still choose. Even silence sounds like you. Even healing hums your tune.
Love on loop, rewind my pain. Every track ends the same. We play our ghosts till morning lights. Broken rhythm, sleepless nights. Love on loop, no escape line. I'm your song, stuck in time. Even silence hums your name, and I hear replay again. I said I'd stop, but your echo would play. Love on loop. Love on replay. Love on loop, one more replay.
Yeah. Filters off. Lights dim. All that talk feds. It's just me, myself, and the silence that never lies. Yeah, I've been scrolling through a world that's fake. Fantastic dreams, everyone on display. Trying to find love in a click or two, but the truth don't trend, it hides from view. I lost days just chasing the screen, trying to look cool, forgot what it means. We post pain like it's part of the plan, but who heals when the cameras can't? Yeah, we flex gold, but our soul's still broke. Smile so wide you can smell the smoke. I just wanna feel what's under the shine. Strip the fade till I cross that line, and I fade to real. No filters, no games, just sweat, scars, and my name. Every mask I wore starts to peel, cause I just wanna fade. I fade to real. No flash, no fame, no fake love, no guilt, no shame. If truth is pain, then let me heal. Let me fade to real. Yeah, I've been lost in the glow of the screen light. Forgot how stars looked in the real night. Tryna live right, but I chase likes. Validation got me tight like a vice. I talk big but my silence louder. Dreams get heavy when you build on powder. So I breathe slow, let go of the show. Let the truth hit hard, let the ego go. Yeah, no more poses, no rehearsed lines. Just my soul on beat and time. If I fall, then I fall for real. At least the pain I feel is mine. I don't need the perfect pose, I need the peace that lasts. I don't need the future first, I just need to outgrow my past. Fade, I fade to real. No filters, no games, just sweat, scars in my name. Every mask I wore starts to peel, cause I just wanna fade to real. I fade to real. No flash, no fame, no fake love, no guilt, no shame. If truth is pain, then let me heal. Let me fade to real. Yeah, I learned peace don't come from a check. It's the mirror that stares when your soul's a wreck. I made friends with the silence deep. That's the only one that helped me sleep. The grind don't stop, but the noise can fade. Every loss just shapes what's made. And if I vanish when the hype turns still, just know I chose to fade to real. Yeah, I've been lost in the glow of the screen light. Forgot how stars looked in the real night. Tryna live right, but I chase likes. Validation got me tight like a vice. I talk big but my silence louder. Dreams get heavy when you build on powder. So I breathe slow, let go of the show. Let the truth hit hard, let the ego go. Yeah, no more poses, no rehearsed lines. Yeah, just my soul on beat and time. If I fall, then I fall for real. At least the pain I feel is mine. I don't need the perfect pose, I need the peace that lasts. I don't need the future first, I just need to outgrow my past. Fade to real.
Fade to fame, take the lights, I'll keep my truth tonight. When it all fades out, fade to real. Take the fame, take the lights, I'll keep my truth tonight. When it all fades out, fade to real.
Static line, half a breath. You only call when the world's at rest. Tell me, are you lonely or just bored again tonight? You show up when the clock hits 2. Your name lights up, I already knew. Your voice sounds sweet but fades too soon. Like a dream I can't hold through the moon. You talk about us like it's still real, but the daylight breaks the seal. When the sun comes up, you disappear, and I'm left replaying what I hear. Every word's a promise, half a lie. Every kiss a borrowed lie. Still I answer every time, cause maybe this time you'll stay tonight. You're my midnight caller, voices getting smaller. You say I miss you, then hang up before the morning. You're my midnight caller, heart growing colder. Still I wait for you, my secret disorder. To this phone, but your silence hits like stone. You say you need me, I say I'm fine. We're both lying half the time. I
cigarette by the window pane. The city glows, it whispers your name. Every car light feels like you. Every echo bleeds right through. Don't tell me maybe later. I'm tired of chasing vapor. If you love me in the dark, then don't vanish with the spark. You're my midnight caller, shadowed by your armor. You hold my heart, then drop it till tomorrow. You're my midnight caller, my halftime lover. Still I answer, still I suffer. I know your pattern like a song. Every verse of right and wrong. You call me up to feel alive, then ghost me just to survive. But I'm still here, still wired to your name, waiting for that ring again, knowing it's the same old game. Midnight caller, this love's no taller. It grows in dark, it dies in dawn. Still I wait when you're gone.
Yeah, it ain't over till I say it's done. Every mile of the war won. Let's move. Yeah, every step I take, I break it out. Born in the fire, can't fade me out. Pressure made me, that's no clout. If pain talk back, I punch his mouth. I don't wait for a hand or a sign. The road is cruel, still the throne is mine. Time don't stop, I redesign. Every loss just sharpen my mind. Blood on the ground, sweat on my sleeve. I run on dreams, they don't believe. Chains on the soul, I won't grieve. I break them all, then I leave. No finish line, I just go. Every breath, another blow. Pain don't stop, I let it flow. Fuel my fight, watch me grow. No finish line, I don't slow down. Every scar, that's my crown. Run through fire, break that sound. No finish line, I own this ground. Mind and motion, never static. Life's a test, yeah, automatic. Took the hits, it turned me savage. Now my hunger cinematic. Late nights, no applause, no show. Still I grind, still I glow. They ask why you run so cold, cause warmth don't make diamonds grow. Can't fold, that's not in code. Every setback, just reload. Can't fake faith on this road. I'm the storm they can't decode. When the pain say stop, I tell her try harder. When the doubt screams loud, no finish line, I just go. Every breath, another blow. Pain don't stop, I let it flow. Fuel my fight, watch me grow. No finish line, I don't slow down. Every scar, that's my crown. Run through fire, break that sound. No finish line, I own this ground. When the pain say stop, I tell her try harder. When the doubt screams loud, I run farther. No finish line, I just go. Every breath, another blow. Pain don't stop, I let it flow. Fuel my fight, watch me grow. No finish line, I don't slow down. Every scar, that's my crown. Run through fire, break that sound. No finish line, I own this ground. Still running, no end in sight. No medal, no crowd, just a fight. They stop at the line, I rise past the light. Cause real ones, we run through the night. On this ground. No break, no break. Only way, all the way. Keep moving, stay in motion. Wake up, mindset loaded. Every goal, yeah, I code it. Got the weight of the world, but I told it. If I fall, I reboot, still potent. Ain't no chill in my routine. Blood pump, caffeine and dream. Pain ain't nothing but pre-seen. Before the flex, you need to lean. They said slow down, I said why? If I stop, I might die. Motions, peace, my alibi. Every rep is multiply. No rest, I'm wired clean. Sweat dripping like gasoline. Every loss, I turn to steam. Every doubt becomes my thing. Stay in motion, never freeze. Keep it rolling, catch that breeze. From the bottom to the peak. Every step, yeah, that's my creed. Stay in motion, heart on fire. Feel my grind, I climb higher. Pain is cold, I'm reprogrammed. Energy flow, no traffic jam. Time tick, louder, but I tick louder. Mind sharp, got power, on power, on power. They see calm, but I devour. Storm inside my midnight hour. Push that set to the bone screen. Turn fatigue to gasoline. Ain't no luck, it's built routine. Consistency, my winning engine. Eyes lock, veins pop, grind pop, no stop. Every block I lift, I shift my mind, my cloud. Turn fear into focus, haters in the chorus. If they sleep on the storm, that restores us. Keep breathing, even when it burns. Keep breathing, even when it burns. Keep reaching for what I've earned. Sweat is gold, proof I tried. Can't stop motion, I'm alive. Stay in motion, never freeze. Keep it rolling, catch that breeze. From the bottom to the peak. Every step, yeah, that's my creed. Stay in motion, heart on fire. Feel my grind, I climb higher. Pain is cold, I'm reprogrammed. Energy flow, no traffic jam. Can't stay still when the dream's alive. Every scar's my battle dry. You can't fake the pain I want. It's the heat that keeps me warm. Why you run, cause I can't rest? Why you fight, cause I'm obsessed? Why you bleed to break my test? What you earn, my self-respect, no cap, no cap. Stay moving, no nap. New goal, new map, new rep, new trap. Stay in motion, never freeze. Keep it rolling, catch that breeze. From the bottom to the peak. Every step, yeah, that's my creed. Stay in motion, heart on fire. Fuel my grind, I climb higher. Pain is cold, I'm reprogrammed. Energy flow, no traffic. Motion, motion, no slowing down. Motion, motion, we on this ground. You stop, you rush, you move, you ride. Stay in motion. Stay in motion.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
They talk too much. I'm moving silence. Every bar I live, every bar I spit, that's my silent fire. Yeah. No talk, just tension. Iron's my religion. Every rep's confession, every scar's precision. Ain't no crowd, ain't no hype, just the rhythm of fight. Every night, cut the noise, I'm locked in. Grind mode, discipline, dreams don't sleep, so neither do I. So that's the language I justify. Hardcore like winter said, no backup plan, no safety net. Earn my peace through pain and grit. This is silence, amplified by listen to my silent verse, where I let my actions converse. No talk, no curse, just work, rehearse till I break the limits, make it hurt. This is my silent verse, let the grind do all the words. Every rep we burn, reverse. Pressure made me pain refine. Focus sharp like a baseline line. While they flex for the gram, I climb. Quiet storm, prime time. These bars ain't lyrics, they're sets. Weighted words I won't forget. When I hit the gym, I'm gone. No distractions, I'm zone on. You can hear my discipline breathe. Every lift, my symphony. While they scroll, I evolve. In the silence, problems dissolve. Silence louder than applause. Focus deeper than the flaws. Every failure fed the flame. Every doubt just scream my name. This ain't luck, it's grind therapy. Made from pain and clarity. Talk less, lift more. That's the code I'm fighting for. 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 Pressure made me pain refine. Focus sharp like a baseline line. While they flex for the gram, I climb. Quiet storm, prime time. These bars ain't lyrics, they're sets. Weighted words I won't forget. When I hit the gym, I'm gone. No distractions, I'm zone on. You can hear my discipline breathe. Every lift, my symphony. While they scroll, I evolve. In the silence, problems dissolve. Silence louder than applause. Focus deeper than the flaws. Every failure fed the flame. Every doubt just scream my name. This ain't luck, it's grind therapy. Made from pain and clarity. Talk less, lift more. That's the code I'm fighting for. That's the code.
first I breathe the pain, turn the sweat to strength again. Let them talk, I'm self-rehearsed, they can't match my universe. Silent verse, discipline's key, I speaks fluently. No words, no curse, just the grind, my silent verse. It's the sound of progress, silent verse. It's the sound of progress. No target work. Silent verse. Silent verse. Silent verse.
Yeah. When the lights go low and the speakers stop shaking, who are you when the beat ends? It's just you and your shadow now. Late nights in the gym, sweat dripping like sin, tryna wash off what I've been in. Every rep I confess through the pain, every breath's like a prayer in the rain. I seen faces fade when the lights turn low, only real ones stay when there's nowhere to go. I've been broke, been bent, been down to the floor. Now I rise just to feel that pain once more.
See, the grind ain't about fame, it's the ghost who whispers my name. Every beat drop, I lose myself. Then I find me again when the silence fell.
When the beat ends, who you gonna be? No crowd, no stage, just your legacy. When the bass dies out and the echo fades, are you proud of the moves you made? When the beat ends, can you still stand tall? When the sound stops, do you hear your call? The rhythm fades, but the soul transcends. That's when you know who you are. When the beat ends, I've been my own rival, I've been my own friend. Chase my demons to the bitter end. Put my pain in a verse, yeah, I let it bleed. Now I plant my wounds and they grow like seeds. Can't fake hunger when your heart's been starved. Every lyric is a scar carved. Ain't no fame in staying true, but it's peace and it's worth more than views. No applause, no cameras flash, just echoes in the mirror of my past. I used to chase beats, now I chase calm. Power in the quiet, truth in the song. Every silence has a rhythm too. You just gotta learn to move through. Don't fear the end of sound, that's where your soul's found. Who you gonna be when the echoes fade? Do you still believe? When the bass is gone and the lights grow dim, can you face the silence deep within? When the beat ends, do you breathe or break? Is your peace real or just a fake? The rhythm fades, but the truth begins. That's when you find yourself. When the beat ends. Late nights in the gym, sweat dripping like sin, trying to wash off what I've been in. Every rep I confess through the pain, every breath like a prayer in the rain. I seen faces fade when the lights turn low, only real ones stay when there's nowhere to go. I've been broke, been bent, been down to the floor. Now I rise just to feel that pain once more. See, the grind ain't about fame, it's the ghost who whispers my name. Every beat drop, I lose myself. Then I find me again when the silence fell. When the beat ends, who you gonna be? No crowd, no stage, just your legacy. When the bass dies out and the echo fades, are you proud of the moves you made? When the beat ends, can you still stand tall? When the sound stops, do you hear your call? The rhythm fades, but the soul transcends. That's when you know who you are. When the beat ends. They said the end's where the story stops, but I learned it's just where it pops. Every downfall taught me to rise, every failure opened my eyes. I don't need the lights or fame, just the strength to play this game. No fear when the music sleeps, cause the fire in my chest runs deep. So when the crowd leaves and the bass line fades to black, I'm still here, still standing, still vibing. When the beat ends, when the beat ends,
rise up early, no time to snooze. Pressure make diamonds, I don't ever lose. Sweat dripping, bass hitting hard in the zone. It's my empire, I'm building my throne. Wake up grind mode every single day. Haters talk cheap, I don't hear what they say. Beast in my bloodline, power in my chest. Every rep, every step I give my best. Pushing through the limits like the sky's my floor. Hustle in my veins, I was made for more. Turn the pain into rhythm, make the struggle sing. I'm a fighter, I'm a lion, feel the thunder ring, yeah. Lights flash, wet splash, no break, no rest. Every breath, every move, put my soul to the test. I don't stop, I don't bend, I don't fade away. I'm alive, I'm electric, I was born to slay. I'm unbreakable, unstoppable. Feel the fire, yeah, it's phenomenal. No chain, no fear, I'm controllable. In this gym, I'm unstoppable. Unbreakable, heart of steel. Grind so hard, it's the realest feel. No excuses, this is the deal. I rise, I run, I lift, I kill. Iron in my hands, power in my soul. Every drop of sweat just fuels my goal. Mirror on the wall, yeah, I see that beast. Turning every doubt into my feast. Push the pain, break the chain. Lightning flowing through my brain. Energy up, can't slow me down. I'm the king in the ring with my crown. From the dirt I built this flame. Every scar reminds my name. No fear, no shame, no game. I'm the storm they can't contain. Unbreakable, unstoppable. Feel the fire, yeah, it's phenomenal. Every beat, every move, unstoppable. This is me, unbreakable. Heart of steel, grind reveal. Push that weight till I feel surreal. No defeat, that's the real appeal. Unbreakable, yeah, unbreakable. Iron in my hands, power in my soul. Every drop of sweat just fuels my goal. Mirror on the wall, yeah, I see that beast. Turning every doubt into my feast. Push the pain, break the chain. Lightning flowing through my brain. Energy up, can't slow me down. I'm the king, in the ring, my crown. From the dirt I built this flame. Every scar reminds my name. No fear, no shame, no game. I'm the storm they can't contain. Can't stop, won't stop, feel my flame. Victory running through my veins. From the gym to the stage, same. Unbreakable, that's my game.
City lights, they never sleep. But I've been losing dreams to keep. I wrote your name on fog glass lines. Watch it fade with changing your times. Every corner's got your ghost. Every skyline haunts me most. But maybe that's how love should die. Not in silence, just goodbye. City lights confession, I'm letting go tonight. The skyline knows what I can't write. Every truth burns bright till the morning kills the light. City lights confession, I'm finding me again. Through the echoes and the rain. You were my reason, you were my pain. Now I'm free beneath this chain. Every cab ride used to mean a door. Now it's just streets I've walked before. The radio hums our broken tune, but I've learned to dance with my wounds. I spill my heart in these city veins, ay. Let the lights wash out the stains, ay. You were my skyline, high and near, but love ain't built to last right here. City lights confession, I'm letting go tonight. The skyline knows what I can't write. Every truth burns bright till the morning kills the light. City lights confession, I'm finding me again. Through the echoes and the rain. You were my reason. cab ride used to mean your door. Now it's just streets I've walked before. The radio hums our broken tune, but I've learned to dance with my wounds. I wrote your name on 5 glass lines. Watch it fade with changing times. Every corner's got your ghost. Every skyline haunts me most. City lights confession, last words said in glow. I love you but I let you go. No regrets, no disguise, just me under open sky.
Drip drop, city glow. You left and now the thunder knows. I walked home slow, hoodie pulled tight. Your scent still clinging from last night. Each puddle's reflection shows your face, but when I blink it's just empty space. I don't need an umbrella, I need you. These raindrops know what I'm going through. Rain on my hoodie, tears I won't claim. Trying to wash away your name. Soaking in memories I can't erase. You're the storm I still embrace. Coffee's cold, playlist stuck. Every lyric's bad luck. Neighbors stare as I hum your tune. Under gray clouds I feel like you. Every drop a beat, every beat a bruise. Heart still leaking, I can't choose. Do I run inside or let it pour until it don't hurt anymore? Rain on my hoodie, stay a while. Let the sky cry with my denial. Yeah, you were my calm before the pain. Now all that's left is rain. Oh.
Sweat is fuel, pain is data, fear is fiction. Beast mode activated. Wake up early, grind a clock. No excuse, just set that shock. Sweat drip heavy, heartbeat loud. Earn my strength, can't fake this crowd. Push the limit, burn that wall. Mine's the weapon, I stand tall. Fear fade when the weights fall. Built to win, that's my call. No break, no cheat, no doubt. My muscles speak loud, shout. Every rep knockout. Beast mode on lights out. They said stop, I said no. They said chill, I said go. I don't crash, I reload. Voltage high, beast mode. Feel it rise, no limits, no disguise. Every pain becomes my prize. Power surging through my eyes. Fair beast mode, can't slow down. Loud heart, I own this ground. No fear when the weight goes down. I'm the king, no crown. Focus locked, no retreat. Fire burning in my beat. Adrenaline in every feat. I don't fold, I delete. Pain's my coach, it speaks truth. Every loss renews my youth. Turn sweat to proof, that's the move. I don't need luck, just groove. Raise that bar, one more set. Goals in sight, can't forget. No regret, just mindset. Beast mode live, full jet. Every breath I climb higher. Every scar feeds my fire. Can't stop, I'm wired. No mercy, I'm inspired. Feel that rush inside your core. One more push, one more. Break your limit, roar. This is what you train for. Feel that rush inside your core. One more push, one more. Break your limit, roar. This is what you train for. There's no limits, no disguise. Every pain becomes my prize. Power surging through my eyes. Fear beast mode, can't slow down. Loud heart, I own this ground.
grit and grind, this my lane. Born from sweat, not from fame. Feel the burn inside my vein. Every lift, break the chain. Lights out, no crowd. Still I roar, still I'm proud. Pain too loud, I'm in doubt. Strengths my sound, play it loud, stay alive. Every rep electrifies. From the floor to the sky. Watch me rise, watch me fly on repeat. Power surging every beat. You can't stop this heat, I'm the storm complete. When it hurts, push again. When it burns, don't complain. Sweat is the price, strength is the gain. When it hurts, push again. When it burns, don't complain. Sweat is the price, strength is the gain.
Scroll, click, there you are. There you are. The algorithm knows my heart. You like my post at 2:03. Guess the universe likes irony. We've never met, but it feels so close. Caught in your comments, overdose. Every filter, every frame makes me forget this isn't the same. Digital crush, I'm losing touch. Hard online, but it's too much. Pixels and promises blurring my view. I'm falling for a version of you. Digital crush, static and truth. Wish I could meet the offline you. Screen to screen, we fade away, but I still wait. Day by day. Your stories glow like neon light. My mind replays them every night. I talk to you through glass and code, but it's a one-way upload. I'm chasing arts and common threads, lost in loops of what you said. Every scroll's a memory lane. Every like ignites the same old crush, but my heart's real. This glitch is something I can't conceal. Someday maybe we'll find a way to turn the pixels into days. Your stories like neon light. My mind replays them every night. I talk to you through glass and code, but it's a one-way upload. I'm chasing knots and common threads, lost in loops of what you said. Every